Hey guys, are you looking to save some cash with thrifted decor? Perhaps you're looking for a meaningful gift idea. Well, I have a super easy and affordable revamp that you can customize with any color you need. Short video just to show you what a little revamp can do. I'm so thrilled how this turned out and I think you'll love it too. Let's jump right in. I set out to find a small container and I immediately fell in love with this round one. As you can see, this one's been through some years. This has a very bright gold and I wanted to make it a little bit more coastal. First thing it needs is a couple of coats of primer to cover up the dark gold. I just used a white craft paint that I had already in my stash. This is shown here with one coat of primer, but I did eventually do two. I chose a soft blue from Apple Barrel. The off-white that was originally on the container, I went over with a very bright white. I absolutely adore how this turned out and I'm going to be using it to store cotton balls, but you can also use it to store jewelry as you're showering. With Mother's Day coming, it would make a very thoughtful add-on gift. Please do hit like and subscribe so you never miss any ideas, bargains, and tips. See you next time!